comparison of 380 auto 10 rounds to 9mm Luger. This is the 380. Look very tiny, very small, snub nose type of design. Very tiny, and these are the 9mm, 9 Luger. 9mm Luger. It looks nice and shiny, eh? Made by Sailor and Bellet. There you go. They look kind of the same, but they're not. See, 380 is much smaller in comparison to a 9mm. I think 380 has like 80 something grain bullet comparison to 115 or something grain bullet for 9mm. Let's take a look over here. We got the 9mm. Can't see how many grain bullet it is. Where is it written? Maybe somebody could tell me in the comment. Oh, there it is, right here. I'm friggin' blind. 115 grain, 9mm. Oh, 9mm. And then you got the Remington 380 auto, which are 95 grain. Little tiny little bullets. But they're very cute in comparison to a 9. Wow. They probably got like about 2/3 the power of a 9mm. Or maybe, yeah, something like that. But I heard the 380 is now getting much better, so they're getting these plus P rounds that are almost the power of 9mm. If you look very closely, the shell is like only 2 millimeters shorter, yeah, than the 9mm. Which one would you rather use, the 9mm or the 380 auto?